have you eaten today? What did you eat for your breakfast or your lunch? Stop for 1 second and think about it. The food you eat is the fuel for your body, just like a car needs good fuel to run. If you put bad food in your body, you feel tired, slow, and sad. If you put good food in your body, you feel happy, strong, and full of energy. Today, I want to share with you a very simple secret to a better life. Welcome to the English Flow podcast. My name is Lucas. Please subscribe to the English Flow podcast right now so you can learn easy English every day. Now, let us begin our delicious journey into the world of healthy food. What is healthy food? This is a very important question. Healthy food is food that helps your body grow and stay strong. It comes from nature. Think about an apple from a tree. Think about a carrot from the ground. Think about a fresh fish from the sea. This is healthy food. It is fresh, simple, and full of good things for you. Unhealthy food is very different. It often comes in a box or a bag. It has a lot of sugar, a lot of salt, and a lot of fat. We call this fast food or junk food. It can taste good for 1 minute, but after that, you feel bad. Healthy food helps your heart, your brain, and your skin. It is not always expensive. A simple banana is healthy food. A glass of water is healthy food. You do not need to be rich to eat well. You just need to make small and smart choices every day. Let us talk about fruits. Fruits are nature's candy. They are sweet, juicy, and very good for you. Do you like fruits? What is your favorite fruit? An apple a day keeps the doctor away. This is a very famous sentence in English, and it is true. Apples are full of good things for your body. Bananas give you fast energy. They are perfect before you do sports or before you start your work. Oranges are full of vitamin C, and they help you fight a cold in winter. Other fruits like grapes, strawberries, and watermelon are also wonderful. You can eat fruit for breakfast. You can eat fruit as a snack between meals. You can put fruit in your yogurt. Try to eat at least 2 pieces of fruit every single day. Your body will say thank you. Your skin will look fresh, and you will feel sweeter inside too. Now, let us talk about vegetables. Vegetables are the green superheroes of your plate. Many children do not like vegetables. Even some adults do not like them. But vegetables are very important for your health. What vegetables do you know in English? Tomatoes are red and juicy. They are perfect in a salad. Carrots are orange and crunchy. They are good for your eyes. Potatoes are soft and filling. You can cook them in many ways. Green vegetables like broccoli, spinach, and lettuce are like medicine for your body. They are full of vitamins and clean energy. Try to put many colors on your plate. A plate with red, green, orange, and yellow vegetables is a beautiful and healthy plate. Cook your vegetables in a simple way. Steam them, bake them, or eat them fresh in a salad with a little olive oil and lemon. Let us talk about the most magic drink in the world. It is not coffee. It is not soda. It is simple water. Water is free and water is life. Your body is mostly water. Your brain needs water to think clearly. Your skin needs water to look young and fresh. Many people forget to drink water during the day. They drink coffee, juice, or sweet drinks. But these are not the same as water. Try to drink a big glass of water in the morning when you wake up. Drink water before every meal. Drink water when you feel tired in the afternoon. You will feel a big change very quickly. Your headache will go away. Your skin will look better. You will have more energy at your job. Water is the easiest healthy habit in the world. You can start today, right now, with one simple glass. What about breakfast? Breakfast is the first meal of your day. It is also the most important meal. The word breakfast means to break your fast. When you sleep, you do not eat for many hours. So when you wake up, your body is hungry and your brain needs fuel. Many people skip breakfast because they are in a hurry. This is a big mistake. A good breakfast gives you energy for many hours. You can have eggs with a slice of bread. You can have oatmeal with fruit and honey. You can have plain yogurt with nuts and a banana. These are simple, healthy, and very tasty options. Avoid sweet cereals and pastries in the morning. They give you fast energy, but you feel tired again very quickly. A healthy breakfast is a gift you give to yourself every morning. Now, let us talk about junk food. Junk food is food that tastes good, but is bad for you. Think about chips, candy, cookies, soda, and burgers from a fast food place. We love this food because it is full of sugar, salt, and fat. Our brain likes these things, but our body does not like them at all. Junk food makes you fat. It makes your heart weak. It makes your teeth bad. It can make you sick over time. This does not mean you can never eat junk food. You can eat it sometimes, on a special day, like a birthday, but junk food should not be your normal food. The rule is very simple. Eat real food most of the time. Eat junk food only sometimes. If you eat junk food every day, your body will pay a high price later. Be kind to your future self and choose real food today. One of the best healthy habits is to cook your own food at home. When you cook at home, you know what is inside your food. You choose the vegetables. You choose the meat or the fish. You choose how much salt and oil you put. In a restaurant, you do not know what is in your meal. They often use a lot of oil, salt, and sugar to make the food taste strong. Cooking at home does not have to be hard. You can make a simple soup with potatoes, carrots, and onions. You can make a salad in 5 minutes. You can grill a piece of chicken with some lemon and herbs. Start with very easy recipes. Watch cooking videos in English on YouTube. This way, you learn new English words and you learn to cook at the same time. It is a perfect activity for your health and your language. Let us talk about how you eat, not just what you eat. Many people eat very fast. They look at their phone while they eat. They watch television while they eat. They do not really taste their food. This is not good for your stomach or for your mind. Try to eat slowly. Sit down at a table. Put your phone away. Look at your plate. Smell your food. Take small bites. Chew your food many times before you swallow. When you eat slowly, your stomach has time to tell your brain that you are full. You will eat less and you will feel better. Eating is not just a job. It is a beautiful moment in your day. Enjoy every bite. Be thankful for the food on your plate. This simple change can help you eat in a much healthier way. What about snacks? Snacks are small meals you eat between your main meals. Many people choose bad snacks like chips, chocolate bars, or sweet biscuits. But you can choose healthy snacks very easily. A piece of fruit is the perfect snack. A handful of nuts gives you good energy. A small bowl of yogurt is tasty and healthy. A few pieces of cheese with some olives is delicious. Some baby carrots with a little dip are crunchy and fresh. Prepare your healthy snacks in the morning. Put them in small boxes. Take them with you to your work or to your school. When you feel hungry in the afternoon, you will have a healthy choice ready. This is how you build a strong, healthy habit step by step. Small choices every day make a very big difference over time. How can you start eating healthy today? Do not try to change everything at one time. This is the biggest mistake people make. They want to be perfect from one day to the next. After 1 week, they feel tired and they stop. The secret is to start very small. Choose one simple change for this week. For example, this week you will drink 1 more glass of water every day. Next week, you will add 1 more fruit to your day. The week after, you will cook 1 healthy dinner at home. Small steps lead to big results. Be kind to yourself. If you eat a piece of cake one day, it is okay. Do not feel bad. Just go back to your healthy choices for the next meal. Healthy eating is not a punishment. It is a gift you give to your body for the rest of your life. Now, let us talk about learning English through food. Food is one of the best topics for learning a new language. Why? Because we eat every single day. Food is part of our family, our culture, and our memories. You can learn so many new English words from food. Read the names of the fruits at the supermarket in English. Watch a cooking show in English with subtitles. Write down a simple recipe in English. Practice asking for food in a restaurant. You can say, "I would like a glass of water, please." You can say, "This soup is delicious." You can say, "Can I have the menu, please?" When you connect English with something you love, like food, the words stay in your head much better. Make English a tasty hobby, just like a nice meal. We have shared many wonderful tips today. We learned what healthy food really means. We talked about fruits, the sweet gifts from nature. We talked about vegetables, the colorful superheroes of your plate. We learned that water is the most magic drink in the world. We saw why breakfast is the most important meal of your day. We understood that junk food is okay sometimes, but not every day. We learned that cooking at home and eating slowly can change your life. We also learned to choose smart snacks and to start with small steps. Most importantly, we learned that food is a beautiful way to practice your English. What will we talk about next time? Next time, we will explore the secret power of good sleep and how it changes your day in simple English. You do not want to miss it. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Follow us on all our social media pages for more daily English practice. Keep eating well, keep smiling, and keep speaking English.